You don't think I'll make it? It's exciting. I can hear the water already. I can hear it rushing.
See?
Yeah, you can do that. I'll get this one. Over here. The adventure begins. Watch your step. Lovely. I love. Don't want you to wipe out. Yeah, going down's easy. Coming up will be the difficult part. Yeah. You should hold on to the rail, love, with your other hand, so you don't fall. Sweetheart, hold your phone in your right hand and hold the pipe on hold the handrail. I don't want you to fall. You got flip-flops on. This is beautiful. Look at everything's so green and lush. Walking into the jungle. This is good. We needed the exercise, you know it? Yeah. We haven't had the exercise that we need. Exercise the legs, that's right. Look at those huge bamboos up in there, going straight up. Yeah, I'm good. I'm following. Good. Be careful. Yeah, just be real careful. have to duck left. The forest canopy. It's our guide helping us along the way. Beautiful in here.
Thank you.
Prepared. There, I should have bought my water socks and didn't. Yeah. No, that ain't bad at all. Oh, beautiful. Look at that reveal. Wow. That day I should have brought my water socks and I didn't bring them. Poor planning on my part. Every time I need my water socks, I never wear them. That's amazing, babe. That's a really good shot. No, it's very, yeah, it's really beautiful. That's a good shot. You may have to crop out the background a little bit. The white button on the side. Zoom in and get a lot of it.